Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, open your phone settings and navigate to display options to change the refresh rate. Set your phone display to 90Hz or 120Hz in system settings when available. Next, enable high performance or a dedicated game mode to prioritize CPU and GPU clocks for smoother frames. Turn off adaptive brightness and set the screen resolution to native or one step lower to reduce GPU load. Also, disable battery saver and power limits before launching the game for consistent high frame rates. Open Call of Duty mobile settings and jump to graphics and audio tabs straight away. Set graphics quality to low or medium and frame rate option to max or very high for best throughput. Disable VSync and frame skip to prevent frame pacing issues and stutters during gameplay. Also enable limit background processes in the game settings if available to reduce background thread contention. Finally, pick a 90 or 120 FPS profile if your device and the game both support those frame rates. Before you start a match, force close unused apps and background services to free RAM. Use a wired charger or a cooling pad to avoid thermal throttling that drops FPS mid-game. Lower the in-game resolution scale and disable shadows, bloom, and heavy post effects to increase frame headroom. Connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and consider reducing HUD clutter to lessen CPU work. Finally, avoid screen recorders and overlays while playing to preserve maximum frame rate and responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.